Well, good morning, everybody. This is Terri with Terri's Travels, and this is day 2 of my Slidell Mardi Gras trip. I'm so excited to be here. I'm boondocking here at my friend Tana's house and hanging out here. And this morning, I'm up. The sun is coming up, y'all. It's just beautiful. I went on and took my shades down out of a couple of my windows to let some sun in. I'm gonna cook some breakfast this morning. I'm gonna make myself a grilled cheese. I am so hungry this morning. We ate last night from Peck's, and the food was brought in. I thought we were gonna go out to eat, but we didn't. And that was fine because we were in a hurry to get to the little moon pie parade, which was so much fun. So, but anyway, this is a new day. Let's get started. Let's do a little bit of cooking. I think this is going to be the best place to position my camera for now. So this is kind of new to me, cooking in my van. So I'm going to try my best to give y'all the best video I can. Let me try. Let me see. Well, so far this is what I have. It's my very first time to cook in my van, so you'll have to give me some grace because I'm not real good at this yet. I'm working on it though. My videos will definitely get better with time. So, but anyway, here's my grilled cheese. Woohoo! Let's take a bite and see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. First thing in the morning, when you're hungry, it is very, very good. I had to open up my door to get some ventilation. I should have let down one of my windows, but it's still very cold outside, so, but I'm good. Yeah. Got my candle going over here. It's nice. So today we're gonna do another parade. Yeah. Now, I don't know what our plans are to, where we're gonna eat or anything like that. Hopefully we'll go to a restaurant. Yesterday we were pressed for time, so that's why we got takeout. But Peck's here in Slidell, that restaurant is fabulous. It's fine. It's wonderful food. You can't beat it. And Stephen bought me a large, when I tell you a large roast beef, it was that dang big. So, knowing I couldn't eat all that. But anyway, yeah, I scraped all the roast beef off of there, all the good stuff, all the goodness off that bread. And I got it in my refrigerator, so it's gonna be good. I love leftovers. Also, I did want to mention, so it took me I turned my little electric skillet on for about 10 minutes, and it went from 100% to 94%. I'm not sure if that's so good or not. I mean, I really don't know. And it's even on eco mode, so I don't know. That sure did pull out a lot of power, didn't it? I need another battery. And I think I've got one on the way too, so I'm excited about that. I'll have to do a review on it. And, but I'll have a couple more batteries with me next time. check out this little shop. And they sell all sorts of stuff. How interesting is that? Oh, look at the little Christmas tree. Happy Mardi Gras. It's a Mardi Gras tree. Oh, wow.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. This is such a cute little place.
Well, thank you. Come in, make yourself at home. With the upstairs is open also, just as we're in here, but in here running around.
Look at this whole kitchen, y'all. Another Mardi Gras trees. Oh, wow. Look, Magazine Street. Look at this postage stamp machine. Wow. Swift's Borax Soap. Well, hey y'all, we are Old Town Slidell, and we're at Dionysus Parade. So this is going to be a great time. So let's go down here and hang out. Let's catch some beads. Let's catch some throws. It's going to be a good time. Van life is wonderful. And they will backstage and say, "Oh, go get us a drink of the blind guy out there." Dude, that was excellent.
Take my time.
wonderful day. We had such a good time at the parade. I caught some stuff, and I'll have to show that to you later on in the video. But I'm headed home, and I was going to stay for a cookout, but I'm having sinus issues or whatever, so I'm headed home. And but anyway, it was a great day. I mean, we had so much fun. Caught so many beads and, you know, just light up stuff and plushes and all sorts of stuff. So it was a great day. I'm glad y'all were here with me, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you for being here with me, though. I really did have a good time. I had a good time with my friends, and Stephen Jr. and Mimi and Tana. It was just a good day. So, but I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all keep watching. Bye. I just wanted to show y'all, this is a little bit of what I got off of the floats. And a couple of these beads are something that I bought from the Mardi Gras imports. But the rest of it is drawn from the floats. Yeah, isn't that pretty cool? That's just a little bit of it. But yeah.